Hey guys, today we're making chicken Alfredo. This creamy pasta is my family's favorite. It's topped with some very juicy chicken grilled on top of open fire. Try it and you won't be disappointed. I start by cutting 3 chicken breasts into equal pieces. I cut each chicken breast into half. Salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and I put them in a Ziploc bag. And I add some olive oil and let them marinate a little bit. Half a cup of olive oil. I leave them to reach room temperature because my chicken was a little cold. Always grill your chicken or beef at room temperature. You'll get better results. Now I'm gonna chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic for my pasta. I set aside and then I start working on my chicken. I grill it on high heat and until it gets to this point, I flip on the other side. It's always a good idea to have the chicken be the same thickness. It will cook evenly. Let it cool and then slice the chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see a new recipe every Thursday and much more. Now for the pasta, I salt the water, wait for it to boil, then I'm gonna add the fresh pasta. And I save about a cup of the pasta water and I set it aside for later. In the same pot, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter with the garlic. Let it cook for only 1 minute. Then I'm gonna add my heavy cream, 2 cups in that case. And I would like to let the heavy cream cook down a little bit and coat the wooden spoon. When it gets to that point, it's ready. That might take 10 minutes. I'll adjust the salt and pepper, add some parmesan cheese, then the pasta. Here I'm using 500 grams of fresh pasta. And I'm gonna use the pasta water to thin the pasta in case I needed to. I add a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese and some frozen peas, and mostly the pasta is done. And you can choose to add different vegetables like asparagus. Asparagus goes very well with that. Also, you can add sauteed mushrooms if you like mushrooms better. The choices are endless. I hope you give this recipe a try, and until next time, bon appétit!